Hello everyone, this is an analysis for gold. Made a little adjustment so that my analysis would align a little bit better with what most of you are seeing as far as the price of gold is concerned. Previously I was using the GC symbol. Now I switched it over to the XAU USD mix, so now that it'll align better with some of your prices. I had a little bit of some emails coming in regarding the discrepancy, and so to keep everybody on the same page and keep it all consistent with what everybody's seeing, I'll just go ahead and continue to use the XAU USD to better reflect and assist you all with my analysis. So as far as what I'm seeing, I don't really see too much different from what I was looking at, previously. I know I did some members videos, so you have to forgive me. I'm kind of losing track of which videos I released to the public or not. But in any case, we're looking at this area acting as a resistance, which was where basically the gap had occurred. And we did fight with it for a little bit, and gold tried to get up higher, but it could not. And now we're seeing the resistance area towards the bottom end of this gap fill. So just to kind of clear things up a little bit, so that it's not all just a cluster essentially. Let's make it visually aesthetic is what I'm trying to say. So looking at this hourly time frame, you can see that we've really been clinging to this 1307 area here. We broke below the 50, and my moving averages have since bearishly crossed across the 50, which is usually not a good sign for the security that I'm looking at. So what I'm thinking we're going to see is maybe a little bit of a bounce in gold, and maybe test this area one more time. And then proceed lower to breaking under this 1307 level and welcoming us back to below 1300. Looking at price settling somewhere in probably here near this 200 and also this previous resistance level. If I zoom out a little bit, you can see what I'm talking about here, that this Fibonacci level here has been serving as a nice resistance for us. And so I would imagine that we're going to probably head back down here, and that'll be an area to watch for a bounce. Use your Fibonacci levels to see exactly what's going on the lower levels. The other level to watch for, if this does in fact break down, again, I don't necessarily know if that's going to happen or not. I'm not a fortune teller, but this is an area to watch for as far as major support one, and then the other area, which is the do or die, is that going to be that trend line here. So if I go back to that 4-hour time frame, this is what we're looking at. The 50 period simple moving average on this 4-hour time frame, and then we have a gap down in here that I also want to point out. So keep your eyes on all of this, and it seems like with the gap here and the way price is probably going to just drop underneath, back towards this 1300 level after 1307 fails. Then we'll be heading back to this 1296 area, 1297-ish, and then potentially going down a little bit further to about this 1288 level, 1289, and then we'll see the price probably battle in here a little bit before potentially making another run at 1300, and then we'll have to see what happens from there. So that's what I'm looking at. I don't really see prices going any higher. If I swing down to the 30-minute time frame, just to kind of give you all a little bit more of an insight, just keep your eyes on this 50 period simple moving average. That's been essentially the guide for what's happening. You could draw on a trend line here too, but the trend line seems to be acting as the mechanism. So for right now, might see a little bit of a push back up to that 50, and then probably a strong reversal down, stopping at around 1302 or so, and then heading lower to that 1296 area as identified earlier. So that's what I'm seeing. I hope you all have a wonderful week. Good luck if you're trading. It's a light volume, last week of the month, and the holidays coming up this weekend. So enjoy. I hope you all have a great rest of the week. I'll update you all on Friday. Thank you so much for watching and for subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel welcome to email me at thetradersperspective.com. You can leave a comment below the video, or you can visit me at the website and get any other information that you're looking for. Thanks again for watching. Have a great rest of the week.